Hello. Yeah, this is another function using Matlab, and now today I'm going to show you how to use Matlab to solve for a linear system of equations. Linear system of equations, we have, for example, like 2x plus 5y equals 7, equation number 1. Equation number 2, let's say 10x minus 11y equal to 0 or something like that, and our goal to solve for x and y. This is just two unknowns, x and y, but this program can solve any size. So if you put like z, w, any size. If you are looking for x and y, two unknowns, then we need to deal with a 2 by 2 matrix. Three unknowns, 3 by 3 matrix, and so on. Anyway, function out, call it linear system, that lin sy. N is the size of our matrix, which is the number of the unknown if you are looking for x and y. So n in this case should be 2. Define n, define a vector. That vector, actually it's a square matrix. You are going to put the coefficient of x, then next to it coefficient of y, and then semicolon, which is second row, coefficient of x, which is a2, next to it coefficient of y. So if you have 3 by 3, then you need to put coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, and semicolon. Go down and put coefficient, second coefficient of x, second coefficient of y, second coefficient, and keep going. Anyway, we save it as a square matrix, call it A. And then define another vector, I call it vector C, that will put the C value. C values in this case, in case of the 2 by 2, is the free terms, is the values on the right side of the equation, like 3x plus 2y equal 10. So 10 is the free term. Here C1 and then C2. Just two values. Pay attention to this semicolon because this is a column vector. After that, we just need the inverse of this square matrix multiplied by this vector, then we get what we need, and that's it. Simple. Let's try it with something. We could verify it later. So lin system 2 by 2, that just 2, enter, that just to be sure we see the 2. Yeah, I just put this to remind me, so I need to use this kind of a bracket, and then I have to put it in the form I mentioned here. So let's say 3 space 4 semicolon, go to the next, semicolon, go to the next row, put 8 space 5. Okay, so 3 4 8 5. Now put the free terms. Free terms, it's a vector, it's a column vector. Let's say it's 1 semicolon and 12. I just made up, but you could verify. These are the value of x and y. If you put this equation means 3x plus 4y equal to 1. Second equation means 8x plus 5y equal to 12. You could write it and verify and see if these numbers are the right answer. If there is something wrong or if you need help, please email me at dr.mehdawe at gmail.com. dr.mehdawe@gmail.com. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.